Hey, good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick here at stockmarketmentor.com on Tuesday, December 9th. I want to look at Alibaba. Just a few days ago, the stock actually gave birth to the 50-day moving average. Right here on 11/28 was the first day that the stock has traded for more than 50. This was the 50th day. So you got an average. This matters because the stock's well above. It's well above this, what I call an enthusiasm high, which here turned out to be like the first day, broke out, and it's still above this level here. So right now, this $100 level essentially coincides with the 50-day moving average. So this is a really, it's a real good technical indicator. So if you look at, hang on, there it is. You look at the daily volume. Volume was pretty big today, pretty high, higher than it has been since this last big sell-off. So what I'm suggesting is that you can buy Alibaba right now. There's a few Chinese people over there who are actually buying stuff online, if you can believe that. Wow. So this company, at least the market thinks, these guys are going to be making a lot more money than anticipated early on here. So I think you can buy this stock right here as long as, and you know what I'm going to say, I always do, as long as you keep a stop just a little bit below this level. You could even keep a stop like under $100 because frankly, if the stock tests the 50-day moving average and maybe falls a little bit below it, if you've got your stop too tight, then you get stopped out just before the stock falls to that $100 level where there's a bazillion people waiting to buy because they're saying, hey, if Alibaba gets back to 100, I'll buy. Guarantee you there's more folks saying that than saying, hey, if Alibaba gets back to the 50-day moving average, I'll buy. So somewhere down here, you just want to keep your stop. That's it. But the stock is, in my view, consolidating. But the way it traded today, I think the path of least resistance here is going to be up as long as the overall market cooperates. So, okay, members, over to the strategy session. We're looking at some of the financials and biotech stocks as well as some other stocks that are working. You got to be in the right stocks here in this market environment because it's kind of volatile.